How to recover Roblox accounts without email or phone number. Now, the process or method that I'm going to be providing you will actually work both mobile device and laptop and PC. However, if you're going to be using your phone, make sure that you're doing this method via your web browser. Now, from here, if you go ahead and head straight and input your username and receiving an error that it is incorrect or your password is incorrect, all you have to do is to create a new tab and simply type in roblox.com/support. This will actually redirect you to Roblox official support page or contact us page. And from here, for you to be able to reach out to their customer support, all you have to do is just to simply input your specific date of birth, the day, and actually the specific year so that you can go ahead and proceed on filling out this form. Input your username, email address associated to the account that you will be recovering, and then what specific device you're using, category of your inquiry, and then under please describe your issue, you just have to indicate here specifically that you no longer have access to the email address to the account that you're trying to recover. Now just simply wait for the customer support to get back to you so that you'll be given out a solid resolution. That's it. That's how you recover Roblox accounts without email or phone number.